So I never started an outboard engine before. Only dealt with inboard engines. A couple things that I realized once I got my engine is that it doesn't come with a funnel, so you're gonna have to buy a funnel to get the oil in there and not make a mess. It does come with the oil, so you use the whole bottle. Gonna have to put gas in it. I bought some rabbit ears from Walmart so I can hook up my hose and run this practice starting it from outside of the water. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to hook up the hose with the rabbit ears and try to start this thing. So it's Memorial Day weekend and I'm getting the engine ready to go for a test run or a shakedown run. I got the cover off, so the oil that came with the engine, and we're gonna start her up and take a look. So I went out looking for rabbit ears, but I can't find where it pulls in the water. If you guys don't know what rabbit ears are, this is what rabbit ears are. Hook it up to the hose. You're supposed to put it on the bottom where it sucks in the water, but I can't find it, so I came up with this idea. Home Depot bucket, fill it with water, start the engine. So when I first tried starting it, it gave me a little hard time, but once I got it going, we're all good. So far, so good. So the reason I wanted to try everything out here in my driveway was because I don't like dealing with engines and stuff out there in the middle of nowhere, not knowing what I'm doing. So got this thing started, it's all mounted and everything, and it's good to go. So we are about to go for a ride in the dinghy, which actually is more difficult to steer that thing than I expected. So we're gonna go check out the mooring ball and then go for a ride down the river.
Did you lock the truck?
No. Can you try starting the engine?
What do you do? Pull it? Just pull it?
Pull the choke out.
What's the choke? This thing?
No, the black thing. Yep, right there. Make sure it's on start.
Let's start.
On the handle. It's on start?
Yeah.
Go ahead, pull it. Gotta pull it hard. Good. Faster. Oh, push the choke in all the way then. I'll do it. All right. I think it's the other way. Hold on. Okay, it's on restart. Okay. Is it this? That's in forward. That's. What the fuck? Gas is on. That was up. Okay.
There's so many bees here. Does it have to be on start or restart?
I don't know. It depends on how long it's been sitting. Push that choke halfway in. Yeah. This is why I hate these fucking engines. Oh, there it goes. Almost. There. Motherfucker. Come on. What the fuck? Fucking piece of shit. What does that do? Okay. That's on.
Are you supposed to shut all that off when you turn it off?
No. Just needed some
What's the fan in that to turn on?
Yeah.
Oh God.
What? What's on?
Nothing.
Okay. The switch. Okay. Got the rope. It's okay. Got it tight.
Yeah. I'm not gonna fall, right?
No. Here we go.
Oh Lord.
Just like, go, put your butt on the.
On the thing?
Yeah. And with you on it is better.
Yeah.
Because I was tipping this way and the boat wanted to go everywhere except where I pointed it to. You doing it, babe? So to give it gas is this way.
So if you turn it this way, which way is it gonna go?
That way.
That way, okay.
If you turn it this way, it's gonna go that way.
This way, okay.
And it's got reverse, but
That's a cute one. That boat. Looks like a house.
these guys being
Okay. So, which one is yours?
I'm gonna ask him which one.
There's a bunch down there.
I know. Huh?
Can you like mark it?
What do you mean? Well, someone left that. Now it's not supposed to be with that. Yeah. No, that's weird. Because it's supposed to just be like that. Well, now we're gonna go cruise.
That way or this way?
South. It's a big boat. Yeah.
Oh shit.
What?
About to go to those waves.
That's it. I always want to point into the wave. Go, baby, go! Yes! Hey, this is like Miami. All over outlet. Inlet. Is it inlet or outlet? Outlet.
'Cause
Leslie driving the ringy dingy on the Connecticut River. Getting back to our marina. We know we can go 19 miles in slow on one tank of gas.